Welcome the our channel. Today we how to optimize Twitter for affiliate links, detailed guide step by step clearly. To optimize your Twitter account for affiliate links, start by ensuring that your profile is professional and engaging. Choose a recognizable profile picture, preferably a high-quality image or your brand logo. Craft a compelling bio that highlights your niche and includes relevant keywords. Add a link to your main affiliate platform or website in the designated website field. Next, create a content calendar to consistently share valuable tweets. Prioritize high-quality content that resonates with your target audience. Engage with your followers by responding to comments and messages promptly. Use relevant hashtags to increase the visibility of your tweets. Take advantage of Twitter threads to explain complex topics and link your affiliate products. Incorporate eye-catching visuals, such as images or GIFs, in your tweets to capture attention. Periodically share testimonials or success stories related to your affiliate products. Be transparent about your affiliate links to build trust with your audience. Utilize Twitter's analytics tools to monitor which types of content perform best. Adjust your strategy based on these insights, focusing on what resonates with your audience. Collaborate with other influencers in your niche to expand your reach. Promote limited-time offers or discounts to drive urgency and increase conversions. Consider running Twitter ads to boost the visibility of your affiliate posts. Always keep an eye on the latest trends and adapt your content accordingly. Test different approaches, such as varying your posting times and frequencies. Monitor competitor strategies to identify potential opportunities for improvement. Lastly, ensure that your links are working properly and direct users to the right pages. By following these steps, you can effectively optimize your Twitter account for affiliate marketing success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.